Holy cow, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. I'm so excited. Now onto the main event, which is what we are all here for. The mystery box. It'd be helpful if I found some scissors, wouldn't it? They tape this up good. And I do like the way that his shipping department handles and packs. All right. More beautiful tissue paper. All right, let's see what we got. What are these? Oh. These are things for Crocs. And if you know me, I hate Crocs. So excited. I'm definitely going to be swatching a lot of this stuff for you guys because it's beautiful. So this is one of his single pigments, and it is Chameleon Fetish. We're gonna be serenaded right now. All right, there's another one, which means I need to get one of those magnetic palettes now, huh? This one is called Self-Made. It looks almost like some of the colors that they use in Money. The next up we have Grand Prismatic. And I know some of you guys are probably saying, how could we ever wear colors like this? Because they're so bright. And trust me, we're gonna do some tutorials and it's gonna look cute and you're gonna be able to use some pop-up color. And it's gonna be awesome. So this one is called Cavity. All right, the next color we have is Tongue Pop, which from his Blood Sugar palette, this is a color that I love to use as the transition shade. What I like about these is that you could actually pop them into a palette, a magnetic one because they are magnetic, and then you can take which colors that you want to use while traveling instead of trying to take a few colors that you like from one palette, another palette, and taking these big palettes. This is a great idea. All right, the next color we have is Fresh Meat, which is a beautiful color. The next one we have is Gumdrop. And last but not least of these cute little eyeshadows is Wyoming, which is awesome because that is where Jeffree Star lives now. All right, next up we have one of his big, ginormous Skin Frost. This is in, oh, it's a highlighting blush. Ooh! It says, you better glow, bitch. Let's see what color. It's Icey Execution. I absolutely love how big these are. Oh, I love this. All right. Let's swatch a little bit here, huh? Oh, Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. It's really pretty. All right, moving on. So we've got Malicious Kisses for his, what is this? It's a shake well before use. It is the Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick, and these definitely are some of my favorites. His Velour Liquid Lipsticks. Now, I know this isn't a shade everybody might like. However, look how cute the little mini. However, if I can somehow get this on camera. This will be great to use in doing any kind of makeup, Halloween, anything like that. Let's see if I can get it to adjust. All right, and obviously I didn't shake well before use, so. All right, Halloween Nudity is the next one up in the Mini Velour. This is the color. All right. Actually, remember to shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Remember shake weights. Oh, that's pretty. And then here's the swatch. All right, so then I got a liquid lip threesome minis, and this is in Heartbreak, Forbidden Fruit, and Misery. Oh my gosh. Okay, so boy math would be thinking that these are all three the same colors. I love this. All right. So this first color is going to be Misery. Oh. It is an ox blood, and I am here for it. Look how pretty. All right, next up is Forbidden Fruit. That's a very pretty color too. And last but not least is going to be Heartbreak. It's a very pretty red. All right. Now we have Liquid Star Shadow. This is in the color Manifest. All right. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Liquid eyeshadow. You know, liquid eyeshadows are great if you want to put a product down and either use it to kind of make a statement piece, but then use powder around it. We'll have to play with it so I can explain it to you, but I'm definitely going to be using this. All right, now we have his Velvet Trap. Look at how adorable these little cartons are. This one is Red Affair, and actually I was just talking to my mom about how she would love his lipsticks because, oh, and I'm going to give this to her, so I'm not going to swatch this one. So my mom is going to adore this. I was just telling her about how she loves red lipstick. So that's going to go to Mama. Another Velvet Trap. And And this is in Communion Wine, which is actually in a shade that I was thinking about trying. Ooh. Okay, it is so beautiful. I actually think I'm gonna put it on right now. So stand by. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't even. So I'm gonna put it on right now because I think it's just the most beautiful that I have seen. Let's make sure you guys can see me. This is a very gothy, deep purple, blood red. I love it. Holy moly. What do you guys think? What is nice about his lipsticks is that you still get the same great color coverage, everything like that. However, if you don't want that liquid flat, like these don't really have as much shine to them, these have just a little bit, and it's in a lipstick form if you're not a fan of the dough applicator. And the other nice thing about the packaging, look how adorable. And then it's magnetic. All right, next up, I have been dying to try some of his skincare. This is his Lavender Lemonade Sleep, what is it? Sleep Mist. All right. Let's just try it out here. Oh, that smells really good. It smells really, really nice. When do you use it? It would probably have been good for me to, read the box. So it says, unwind and relax with our soothing sleep mist. As you dream, our mist hydrates your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So spray before you go to bed or when you just want to relax. All right, next up is his Proof Mascara, which is awesome. I do have lashes, so I could use it on the bottom lash line. However, I don't use mascara that much. So I do believe that this will probably be going to my mom. What I love about it is it looks like a little whip. But let's see what brush we're working with here. Oh, that's interesting. It's an interesting applicator. Oh, actually this will not be going to my mom because it's yellow. That's interesting. However, you know what? I will try it out on my bottom lashes so we can see if his Proof Mascara is in fact Proof. However, I will not be doing that. I will be like working out and going to work, so. His Beauty Killer 2 palette. Oh, this is exciting. All right. Beauty Killer was actually one of the first palettes that Jeffree Star came out with. Look at these beautiful shades. And as always, he has a little mirror that is just so adorable right here. All right, so as you all know, I have my own Cremated Palette. So this one is going to go into a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. If you leave a comment, we'll do a video where you leave a comment and I will draw for somebody to win a cremated palette. Oh, and last but never least, actually, hold on, I missed one. I missed something in there. Jeez, that's a lot. An eye gloss. I have hair on me. This is an eye gloss. Let's see what it is. It's high intensity glass effect wet powder eyeshadow infused with brilliant pearls. Gently glide on with fingers, look wet with one swipe, or apply multiple layers. So, you guys ready to look wet with me? And it's in the color Voyeurism. Oh, this is cute packaging too. All right. Oh, this is even cute too. Look. All right. So we'll swatch it. Oh, that's adorable. I like that. There's the little swatch on my finger. I'm love. Oh, I should probably put this back on. And of course, last but not least, a Jeffree Star mirror. And because I have a ton of Jeffree Star mirrors already, this will also be going in a giveaway. Yay! This will be going into a giveaway because I have so many Jeffree Star mirrors. I need to spread the love, right? What am I gonna do with all kinds of mirrors? So we have the mirror. We have a palette. 2 palettes, actually. I'm loving this so much, it just needs to be shown. Look at all that, guys. That is a lot of makeup. So I will be sure to add the prices so that way you guys know exactly how much it is, how much I paid. And let me know, leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about this box. Is there anything that you're interested in trying, buying, looking at? Let's talk about it. And leave a comment. Let's figure out what my next makeup look should be. Again, subscribe to my channel before you leave. Hit that bell icon so you get notified each and every time. See, no. Hit that bell icon so you get notified each and every time I upload a video. Thanks for popping by, guys.